Welcome to my channel The Tiny Guide. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for informative videos. Today we will see about the laws of addition and multiplication. The three laws of addition and multiplication are Associative Law, Commutative Law, Distributive Law. We will see about each law in our next slides. To start with, we will see about commutative law of addition and multiplication. In this law, when two numbers are added or multiplied, the order does not affect the sum or product. So, the rule is a plus b is equal to b plus a and a into b is equal to b into a, where a and b are any two numbers. Examples are when we add 85 and 15, the result is the same as when we add 15 and 85. Also, 17 multiplied by 65 will give the same answer when we multiply 65 and 17. Next, we will move on to associative law of addition and multiplication. Here, when many numbers are added or multiplied, the order in which the numbers are added or multiplied produce the same result, regardless of the grouping of the numbers. Therefore, the rule is shown as in the presentation. Here, the result is the same even if rearrange the parentheses. Examples are when we first add 95 and 65 and the result is added with 25. The result remains the same. When we rearrange the parentheses, similar rule applies for multiplication too. The next law is distributive law of multiplication over addition. Here, multiplying the sum of two or more addends by a number will provide the same result when each addend is individually multiplied by a number and finally adding the products together. Therefore, the rule is a plus b multiplied by c is equal to a into c plus b into c. Here, addend means the numbers that are added together. This looks bit confusing. Let me make it simple by explaining with an example. In this example on the left side, we first add 85 and 15 which gives 100. 100 is then multiplied by 5. On the right side, we multiply 85 by 5 and 15 by 5. Again, we add the results of these two products which are 425 and 75. In both cases, we can see that the answer is 500. Hope this is easy to understand. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, The Tiny Guide. Thank you all once again.